Hello, it's 2020, and you're here because you want to know how to start earning serious money on YouTube. How can you make money using YouTube? How to increase your way of earning money using YouTube. YouTube is a truly exceptional platform. It allows creators from all over the world to collaborate and not only share their ideas and work with the world. YouTube is the world's second largest website. 2 billion people use it every month. 73% of adults in the US are watching videos here. We could go on, but you can read all the latest YouTube stats on your own time. So YouTube also makes it possible for any creator to make a living from it using the YouTube Partner Program. If you are watching this video, it is because you want to know how to make money on YouTube. Do you want to start your channel, or perhaps you already have one and are wondering how you can make your hobby a steady job? I've compiled this video guide to point out all the easy wins that will amplify your brand's message on YouTube, but we're also going to detail some of the more advanced techniques the pros use. Let's find out together. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications now so you won't miss any of our new videos. YouTube stars are today's self-made celebrities, people who have earned an audience by creating content geared toward teaching, entertaining, reviewing, and being awesome on the internet. Many major YouTube content creators make a profit from their videos and work, and it's a decent amount of money, and many make an income of six-figure, and statistic proves that creators earning six-figure increase every year by 40%. Maybe you already have a channel and making money might not be your reason for starting a YouTube channel, but the opportunities to earn are a pleasant surprise once you realize how many of them there are. If you're seriously thinking about making YouTube your main source of income, where should you start? What are the steps to success? Who's going to watch your YouTube channel? How to make money on YouTube? What do you need to be successful in this land? Don't worry, we've got you covered. The first thing you have to do is, of course, start your channel if you haven't already. The magic of YouTube is that your channel can be about almost anything. ASMR, a popular trending topic on YouTube, unboxing, tutorials, you can make short and meaningful cartoons, sing, or share your lifestyle. The options are endless. Your YouTube account is the same as your Google account, and you can either use it as it is or create a new one. Before you create your new account, it is better to understand that you need 3 email accounts to be sure and safe. 2 of those emails account never will be public, only you and Google will know about those emails and only will be used as a backup configuration. You are not allowed to use those emails to send or receive mails. This will be only used to communicate with Google in case your account will be hacked, stolen, or something like that. The 3rd email will be your regular Google YouTube account. It's better to choose your username carefully because of the more complicated it is, the less chance to be hacked or stolen. If you'll make it big is better, but it should be something easy and memorable for you. Then choose your channel name, but don't use your username as your channel's name. People tend to that, but doing that you just made 50% of the hackers' work easier. Remember, when you qualify you can change to the URL of your channel to your channel's name. If for any reason you change your mind, or if your current username is just not working for you, simply change it on your Google account and you're good to go. The more people that find your channel the better, so don't forget to add keywords connected to your content. I see many channels that do not use tags or keywords, or do not make a good description of what it is your channel about. If you are a famous YouTuber with millions of subscribers, you can do that, but it is not a good option, so always, small or big, use descriptions, tags, and titles to your advances. Over the advanced section of your channel settings, you can do that. If you have some problems or need more help, follow the playlist. How to be YouTuber tutorial from zero to pro. Okay, now that you finally have a YouTube channel, it's time to work on your content and upload it. You have to find your topics and discover your unique style. Try not to make your videos too long on this time. You need subscribers, so videos around 2 minutes are better. Then gradually start to increase the longer your videos, and always make sure that your audience won't get boring. You want them to keep being intrigued by every second of it. Create an expectation about your channel and your content, and never say what it is all about in one video. Of course, nothing happens right away, and your videos and their quality will grow gradually as you go. Remember, practice make the master. It is better you just watch a couple of the very first videos by popular YouTubers in your niche, your channel's content vertical line. They're not exactly as amazing or perfect as you see the videos that they are created today. Try to upgrade your content, buy a better camera. Use better editing software and so on. However, if you want to have a better idea of what do you need about tools, watch what no one is telling you, but for sure what you need is the desire and a regular phone. The key thing, however, is to post videos regularly. Many said once a week is a good metric. I say if you are stating 3 times a week is better, but you need to adapt this to your circumstances. If you only post videos once or twice a month, your audience can quickly forget about your channel. Try to keep a pace of at least 1 video a week. This way people will be waiting impatiently for the next week to find out what your new video will be. Don't forget about tags and keywords. Make sure everyone interested in the topic can find your videos. This is where it all begins. Again, many YouTubers are doing this wrong, inclusive famous and big channels. You can monetize your content and make money from your videos when you comply with the rule for channel monetization. For better understand how to increase 4,000 hours of watch time and how do you add value to a YouTube video. When you comply with those rules, just go to your channel logo on the top right, click on settings link, then click on channel status and features and choose to enable monetization. Done. From now on YouTube will place ads in your video, but don't forget that to make it all work and make real money, you need to have a steady audience that will watch your videos. Don't be shy to share your videos in your social media and interact with your viewers. But remember to be honest and treat your community the same way that you wish people treat you. You will be making relations and friendships that in many cases will be more honest and trustable than people that you know in RL. Often try to keep it personal to your audience. Try to offer some real value. If you offer value, they will find you and then they'll stay. Like I said before, there's one more simple requirement. You need at least 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers to start earning money. If it's necessary, you can monetize your old videos as well by opening Video Manager and clicking on the $sign next to them. Don't forget to set up Google AdSense account to fully comply with all requirements so you can get your money. You can do it at the Google AdSense website https://ads.google.com. The link will be in the description below. If you're younger than 18 years old, ask your mom and dad to help you with AdSense. You will need a valid PayPal account or valid bank account, also known as direct debit, or credit cards and debit cards, and address to know who you are and who to send the money. All this option can vary depending in what country you are located. Another important thing for any YouTuber or blogger. Analytics. Analytics is your feedback along with the comments and likes or dislike to help you learn which topics resonate with your audience and vice versa. Every YouTuber checks it regularly, so if you're still building your audience, pay attention to those numbers and graphs. They can tell you pretty much anything about your viewers and subscribers and give you ideas on how to improve. If one of your videos happen to go viral, there's also a way to get your dose of profit from it. Simply speaking, you can license your content in exchange for money. Now TV news media outlets and other creators will have to reach out to you for the right to use your video. If your videos are ads content friendly, it will be easier and you will make more money from it. Now let's say that you have a good steady audience and are earning a nice amount of money. Can you do anything else to step it up a little bit? Sure, just become a YouTube partnership. For this you'll need to meet another requirement: 15,000 cumulative watch hours for your channel. To gain the position of partnership, one must have 15,000 cumulative watch hours for your channel over the last 90 days. YouTube partners gain access to more content creation tools, and contests like win prizes for the maximum viewers. They also get much more community support and tips. Over the last 90 days, when you achieve this requirement, go to the YouTube partner page, do a couple of clicks, and boom, there are other great additions to this title as well. YouTube partnership have access to more creation tools, community support and tips, and can even win prizes. Not bad, right? You can also start selling your merchandise once your channel starts to become more prominent. Of course, this takes even more effort and work, but it's incredibly rewarding for both the excitement of your subscribers and, let's be honest, your bank account. With cool merch, you can get even more subscribers, as people will ask others where they got such cool stuff. More people will check out what you're all about, can become part of your audience. There are tons of affordable freelance websites that can help you with that, like Fiverr and many others. Just search for more information on any questions you have and take some time to think about it. While we're on the topic of selling stuff, you can also sell other people's products as an affiliate marketer. With more information and help check affiliate marketing, how to become a 7-figure, and how to make money with Amazon affiliate, link will be in the description, which means that you selling them in exchange for commission. Even huge companies like Amazon and eBay offer great deals to affiliate marketers promoting their products, so it won't be a problem to go with this if you decide. However, it may change and affect your content as you'll have to review your affiliate products, leave links to them in the description, or even make how to use tutorials, which aren't that bad for a lifestyle blog, but may not be suitable for blogs with other themes looking for sponsorship with certain companies or advertisements. Also can be an excellent solution, so to put it briefly, all you need to make it big on YouTube is hard work, determination, creativity, and over everything you need to believe. Another way you never hit the target. You need to believe in yourself, just like with any other job out there. So what are you waiting for? Start to share your ideas and creations. Remember, you're unique, no one is like you, so you're bringing your ideas and sense over the table now and turn your favorite hobby into your dream job. Good luck. Do you know any small but amazing YouTube channels? Do you want to grow your channel with us? You can recommend others and recommend yourself here without making spam. Any spam will be deleted. We are a community working together. Check out, tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to give us a like and click subscribe, so you will be awesome. You are amazing. Thanks for your support. Need advice on growing your YouTube channel? Want more views and subscribers? Then join our channel. We can grow together. Have a wonderful day. And I will see you next time.